Designed to remove broken studs, bolts, socket screws, and fittings. Aggressive left-hand spiral design for extra gripping power. Easy out style spiral flutes embed themselves to increase grip as resistance increases. Extractor size and recommended drill bit size are etched on each tool. Set includes spiral flute screw extractor sizes X1, X2, X3, X4, X5. Drill bit sizes 5/64, 7/64, 5/32, 1/4, 19/64, and a metal index case. Freeze fasteners fast. The IRWIN HANSON 10-piece kit gets the most commonly used fastener sizes unstuck quickly and efficiently. The IRWIN HANSON Spiral Extractor and Drill Bit Set, 10-piece, features an aggressive left-hand design for extra gripping power. Easy out style spiral flutes embed themselves deeper into the metal as the tool is turned so grip increases as resistance increases. With sizes etched onto each tool for quick identification, it includes X1, X2, X3, X4, and X5 extractors, 5/64, 7/64, 5/32, 1/4, and 19/64 drill bits and a metal index case. Top reviews from the United States. Good extraction set. Works like a charm every time.